Today we've got our annual Hands on Water event, which is a big event that we run for primary schools every year to help students from across the Bay of Plenty learn about fresh water. It now runs over 2 days with about 10 schools and 100 students on each of those days. We've got children as young as 7 and 8 and up to about 12 and 13 years old.
We got to learn about the different sea creatures and where they live.
We've learnt lots on how to in a case of an emergency, what to do and how to do it.
One of the really key elements of Hands on Water is that it's a really interactive learning experience. We often get children come out here who don't get much time outside of the classroom learning in nature, so it's a really kinesthetic, hands-on learning experience.
I think it's really beneficial for kids to come and reconnect back to the environment, see what it's all about, get away from devices and screens and just experience something a little bit different.